Ready to make some serious sonic waves? Today, we're diving deep into the art of crafting a killer progressive house bassline that will get any dance floor moving. First, fire up your DAW and load your favorite synthesizer for that classic progressive house sound. Think about using a saw wave or a square wave as your starting point. I'm going to choose a saw wave for this tutorial. Now, let's shape the sound. A low-pass filter is your best friend here. Start by setting the cutoff frequency fairly low. Then use an envelope to create a smooth, dynamic opening of the filter. Experiment with the resonance to add some character and bite, but be careful not to overdo it. Next, let's nail the rhythm. Progressive house basslines often have a simple, driving pattern. Try using quarter notes or eighth notes with subtle variations to create a sense of movement. Keep it minimal and focus on groove. Time for mixing magic. Compression is key to getting that punchy, consistent bassline. Use a compressor with a medium attack and release to glue the sound together. Then, use EQ to carve out any muddiness in the low mids and boost the frequencies that make your bassline stand out. Finally, make sure your bassline sits well within the context of your track. Adjust the volume and EQ as needed to ensure it complements the other elements of your song. And just like that, you've crafted a powerful progressive house bassline. Now go out there and make some bangers. Subscribe for more music production tips and tricks.